This is the Hanna Instruments Checker HC for iron. Push the button once to turn it on. When the meter displays C1, insert your unreacted sample to be zeroed. Press the button again to zero the instrument. It displays C2, so remove the vial, take off the cap, and add 1 packet of iron reagent. You want to try and get as much much reagent into the sample as possible. Replace the cap and mix the sample with the reagent by gently swirling and inverting the vial. Try not to mix the vial too vigorously, as this will introduce microbubbles into the sample, which can throw off the reading. When the reagent is dissolved, replace the vial in the meter, close the cap, and press and hold the button to activate the read timed function. The meter will now count down the 3-minute reaction time and then analyze the sample. The reaction is now complete and the meter is analyzing the sample. And now it's displaying the iron levels of the water in parts per million.